Do you know who is the earliest surgeon in the world? Do you know who is the father of surgery? Royal Australian College of Surgeons, Melbourne, has a statue saying that Saint Susrutha, who belonged to 6th century BCE, is the father of surgery. Saint Susrutha performed surgeries 2600 years ago. He got the knowledge from his masters. Let us look into his masters. Bharadwaja taught medicine to Atreya. Atreya taught it to Agnikeya. Agnikeya taught it to Charaka, and Charaka to Dhanvantari, and Dhanvantari taught the knowledge of medicine to Susrutha. Susrutha performed all kinds of surgeries like caesarean operations, eye surgeries, advanced surgeries, brain surgeries, and many more. He gave a book called Susrutha Samhita, which is boon to medical world. In the book, he mentioned about all kinds of surgeries. We can also find advanced level of surgery information in the book like caesarean operations, plastic surgery, mostly rhinoplasty. These surgeries were performed to reconstruct nose and ears. Susrutha gave details about 125 surgical instruments in this book. Susrutha divided the methods of surgery into 8 parts. The first one is Chedya, cutting. Second one is Lekhya, separating. Third one, Vedya, removing the toxic objects from the body. Fourth one, Aishya, probing the blood capillaries for finding the cause of disease. Fifth one, Ahara Kriya, eliminating the production of harmful elements in the body. Sixth one, Vishradhavya, removing water from the body. Seventh one, Sivya, suturing. Eighth one, Bhedakriya, making holes and performing surgery. Now let us look into the other examples of surgeries which were performed in ancient India. King Bhoja in 927 AD had a tumor in his brain. Sages gave him anesthesia called Sammohini, and they performed surgery to his brain and removed the tumor from his brain. And this was mentioned in Bhoja Prabandha. Example number 2. Jivaka, who is the physician of Gautama Buddha, performed many surgeries and Buddhist texts mentioned them. Vinaya which is a Buddhist text, also revealed that a person who had gems in his brain underwent surgery and gems from his brain were removed successfully. We can also observe in Rigveda 1.116.14 and 15 that a woman warrior, Vishala, queen of King Kela, lost her leg in a war, and Ashwini physicians fitted her an artificial iron leg by doing surgery. And also, Ashwini physicians performed many eye surgeries, which we can observe in next verse of Rigveda. Ancient Indians not only performed surgeries but also studied human anatomy by dissecting dead bodies. Ayurveda, which is the main source of Susrutha Samhita, adopts surgery as a last measure in treatment, but it focuses mostly on prevention rather than cure. It laid stress on biomedical remedies, though aware of chemical pharmacology and surgical interventions. All the books like Charaka Samhita, Ashtanga Hrudaya, Bhava Prakashika, and Susra Samhita mention about medicinal plants. All the Western countries now came to know the importance of medicinal plants and started gaining the knowledge. Nidana Shastra, and another famous book written by Madhava, contains details how to diagnose the disease of a person by observing his gestures and smell emitted from his body. Ancient Indian sages has complete knowledge on medicine and were capable of curing any disease using medicinal plants and used to perform any kinds of surgeries when needed. Many doctors of recent time and scientists of biotechnology are gaining a lot of knowledge from these books. These books are boon to mankind. What do you think about these great sages? Please do not forget to comment under the video. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. If you liked the video, please press like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.